Truly speaking, we have been learning this language more than 1 year, or you can say more than 1 year. Actually, before 1 year, our father told us and motivated us to start our spoken English journey.
It happens also with me, and you can say that now why, but how, why? What is the reason that I can speak or how I can speak? That is a long journey that how I have learned it. So good evening, ma'am. Hello.
Good evening. Hello.
How are you doing, ma'am?
Okay, I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, also doing great, ma'am. Thanks for asking. So, ma'am, as you're meeting first time, would you
Okay.
like to start?
Yeah, sure. Why not? I would like to introduce myself. Okay. So basically, my name is Mansi, and I'm a student. I'm doing my graduation. I'm right now in second year, pursuing my SY BCom. And apart from that, I'm doing a part-time job. It's a kind of sales sector. I have to sell products as well as take orders. And when it comes to my hobbies, I could like to read books and traveling. And I have started to just learning guitar. I'm just beginner there also. So I like to listen guitar and singing, not the singing but listening. I really like that. So I just started to learning these things. So I can add this on my habits. Yeah, yeah, sure. Go ahead.
You, ma'am. This is Maliha Binti
Hello.
Masud. I'm connecting you from Bangladesh. I study in 7th standard. If I talk my family, so my family consists of members. They're my parents, me, and my brother. If I talk about me, I like to know new things. Speaking with a stranger, I like riding bicycle, especially travel as well. If I talk, my brother, so we are siblings and we are twins as well. He's also his name is Mazin Masood. He also speaks in English so fantastically than me. Like that accent is so different. If you listen her speech, definitely you'll be able to understand. So we are connecting with you from
Sure.
Bangladesh as
Yeah.
I have that neighbor country. So that's it about me.
Oh, you are from Bangladesh.
So ma'am,
Okay.
which district and which state are you from right now?
Okay. I'm from Mumbai, and I'm from India in Mumbai place. The area name, city name is Mumbai.
Okay,
I
so
think you
ma'am,
heard about the place.
yes.
Yeah.
So ma'am, would you like to share with us that how did you learn this language and how long have you been learning this language English?
Yeah. Okay. I would like to share with you. Basically, I'm just a beginner here in English learning. I have started this journey, English speaking journey. It been around 6 months, but I'm lacking of confidence. I'm lacking some running off my words. So I'm just beginner. I'm not consistent here, consistent. So that's why I'm just learning and practicing. Like during a video call and normal audio calls. Yeah,
Yes,
that's it.
ma'am. Sir, what you would like to ask you and understand us. Actually, you are a beginner and you have started your journey, and
Mm-hmm.
nowadays trying every single day to enhance your spoken English, how to speak in English so fantastically. So can I a presentation to you and in front of you that how we have learned this language? If you agree, so I can say you.
Yeah, sure. Yes, yes, exactly. Tell me.
Okay, sure. Now,
Hello.
actually, we have started our English journey last 1 year. We have been using this language. So, our
Mm-hmm.
father motivated us to learn this language. You know that we are so younger to you or to other people, those are English beginner. Just we study 7th standard,
Mm-hmm.
that time we have thought that definitely we have to learn this language in our country. We have heard and seen that so many people like they're enhancing their spoken English, and they have also started they're having conversation with foreigner people like Indian especially. They're doing fantastic, and they're making so many blog video conversation video. So why we not? are also student, okay, we are also human beings, so we have to also know it. As English is spoken all over the world, so we must have to learn it. Our native language is Bengali, okay, is it okay? But we must have to learn this also. But if I talk that how many tasks we have done for this language, so we have done so many, but I'd like to say you that four. But we have thought that mainly two, speaking and listening. When I was beginner, like you, like other, then when we have started, then we listen more and more video. And you should also listen more and more content video or conversation video. Definitely, you'll be able to understand. And in that time, we have when we finished our listening, then we have started speaking. Then every single day we speak a lot. And you can say that I have a partner. That is why with my partner, I always speak. But you can say, ma'am, that someone people they say me or they can tell me that those who has no any partner, so how they will speak. And according to me, they should speak by themselves. I think you
Okay.
got it.
Yeah, I agree with your points. What you said. Yes, yes, yes. I got it, your points. And you said the right thing. I totally agree with you. Like, we have to just listen, write, and read. There is a formula of these things from advanced level English speaker and intermediate level. So yes, but you have got the fluency of English. So I wanted to ask you, I wanted to know about that. Like when you start, you both when you start like speaking your journey.
Yeah,
Hello,
ma'am. Truly speaking, we
am
have
I
been
audible?
Yeah, ma'am. Truly speaking, we have been learning this language more than 1 year, or you can say more than 1 year. Actually, before 1 year, our father told us and motivated us to start our spoken English journey. In the time, we watched so many videos on YouTube and Facebook on mobile phone. You can say that they are learning this language. They're speaking fluently and confidently. They're great fluency in English. You know that everybody has a passion, has a strong desire and goal to speak English like the natives, and like this, we also have a strong desire to speak English. But can't do it. We can't speak in English in the previous days, previous year. But however, we have learned it. We have struggled a lot. It was a great journey for us, and every single day we are trying hard. I think hard work is the key to success. So that's why we're trying to hard work. We are hankering after a language. We are listening a lot, speaking and practicing all the time and having this type of conversation every single day.
So
Wow, you are speaking really
one thing
fast.
with you, ma'am, that when I was beginner, like not I'm saying that you, so other person, those who are English learner, someone they have a hesitation. They think that when we come first time in front of camera, in front of publicity place or in front of people, then what will
Yes.
happen? We go to speak. It happens also with me, and you can say that now why, but how, why, what is the reason that I can speak or how I can speak. That is a long journey that how I have learned it. And I have told you that I have learned it, I have feel so many hesitation, but nowadays I have overcome it. But I think that nowadays I am trying to go in front of people, and I try in front of people to speak in English so fastly. If I speak fastly, then I don't feel any hesitation. Some those who are student, they also feel hesitation. For their hesitation, they can't speak in English. They understand English very well, but in front of people, they can't speak in English.
Yeah, yeah, it happens to everyone, like who is trying to speak English, who is a beginner, who is just started to learn. So everyone feels like embarrassing and hesitation while talking to people, talking to any stranger. So it's really hard to overcome of it, but it after gradually it will happens. You can come your fear of talking to people, and yeah, the words when like beginner, the beginners while they speaking. I am also feel I was also the same place. Like I just start when I was in my first video call. Sorry, video call. So I was just started So that time I was also feeling embarrassing. How what I'm going to tell him? What is first question? What is it going to be? So that time I also feel embarrassing, and I try to hide my face. So that time I also feel, and I just made a video only. I just talked to them only for I think 20 to 15 minutes. Yeah, exactly 15 minutes. I in my first video. So I am also faced these problems. But after that, gradually I made some two, three, four video calls and audio calls. But in audio calls, I feel comfortable. But when I'm going to talk to anyone in video call, so that time I feel embarrassing and something like that. But it was in earlier days. But now I am feeling comfortable and talking to people. But yeah, you guys really got the fluency and like speed. Your brother has a very good speaking English and speed as well. I think he's trying to like speaking another accent, like American
Yes,
accent.
I'm trying to cultivate myself into American accent because I want to go there, or you can say North American, Europe. So I want to learn American accent. So that's why I'm trying to listen American people's
Okay.
video. I'm trying to make some pronunciation like them. That's why I'm working on it.
So, ma'am,
Wow,
one question.
you are on the second stage of this language. Like you have done your fluency and your speaking. So right now you are focusing on accent, right?
Yes,
Yeah, great job.
actually, as a beginner, it is must for speaking fluently. However, the pronunciation, however, the mistakes. Fast for beginner to get fluency actually for speaking without any kind of thinking. So secondly, that I'm thinking that improving your pronunciation and correct your mistakes, correct your every word's pronunciation. We're trying to do that. I think that we're intermediate level. We have been learning this language for 1 year. Actually, ma'am, I'm very curious to know from you
Oh,
that have told us that fast video you have made 15 minutes. Oh, this is really very amazing because when we talk to other people on this application at fast, we made 11 minutes. So how do you got the idea? How did you when did you think that I should start I should learning English? I should start speaking English. When did you think?
okay. So I could tell you it starts from the day I was in my first day of job. It's the kind of job painting. I have to sell paintings and prints, oil painting and acrylic paintings. So that time the clients, the customers are coming, like they are very fluent in English. They are in professional levels. They are, I think, not a millionaire, but I think they are really good professionalists. So they are talking to in English. They are asking for me any price, anything like how much is it? What is it they called? What kind of this is painting it is? Tell me. So they used to speak in English. So that time I'm feeling what I have done in my life. Even if I can't speak in English and I am not able to speak in Hindi as well. I'm not able to interact with them properly and confidently to tell them this is that and negotiate with them. So that time I'm not feeling like I'm going to deal, how I'm going to deal with them because I'm just innocent type of girl that time. I think it's been 7 to 8 months. I was like innocent. I'm not talking to anyone and feeling like any stranger will kill me if I go. If I'm going to tell them like talk to him, trying to talk to them because I never used to these things, na. So after that, gradually I am facing people. Some people come. I just said, yeah, like very fear voice. I just 200, 2000. I just talk. I just tell them. So they're just gone. They are not buying anything from my shop. And the owner is telling me, "What are you doing? You are not selling any one of piece. You don't have sell any painting." So I feel embarrassing. I am feeling what I'm doing. I need to work on this. I need to come out of this fear of talking to people. people, not only in English but Hindi as well. So I just started to tell anything, what I got in my mind, what that time, what I have learned, just talk to them. And after that, I just feel I was go in a YouTube channel. I searched English speaking videos, how to overcome of this fear, English speaking and communication skills, soft skills. I just find search it on YouTube, search it on Google. So after that, after doing that, I got the platform Joe Talk. So there I have talked to some, I think 1 month. I got the subscription only for 1 month. I used this app. Yeah, it is good, but it is only for audio call. We can make a call only audio call, sorry, audio. So, but I never got the chance to video call, like to talk to people, anyone, video call and interact with them face to face call conversation. I never got to talk to anyone on video call. So after doing that, so I find a guy. He used to use this application Skype. So he suggested me to he share her his ID as well. So it is my ID. Just tell me, and we will connect on video call. So that he's the one. He gave me the and told me the opportunity and idea to download the Skype, and there are lots of learners that can help you co-learners.
Yes, ma'am, we
So
have
yeah,
got
that's my story.
one
I
thing I'd
think
like to.
I just messed up things if you get the thing.
Yes, ma'am, we have got it, and we have got your point where you would like to understand us.
Yeah.
And one thing I'd like to share with you that so many people ask us that every single day, what do you do to enhance your spoken English? Or generally, what do you do? Actually,
Yes.
I'd like to say you that every single day, first we think that we have to make a vlog video. You can say when we get time. Actually, we have a study, and without our study, we get time in leisure time. Then we try to make vlog video together
Mhm.
ourselves. Then we think that today we mm, didn't make a conversation video with the Indian people. Then we think that we have to make conversation with Indian people. But you think that
Yeah.
nowadays I'm not getting any kind of people, or I have a much more study. So in that time I don't take any kind of session. Or I think that I don't know, I'm so younger, how I will consider it that nowadays I'm doing great or not, or which level nowadays I'm doing. Then so many ma'am or so many
Mhm.
sisters, we're connecting with them like you, so they say that you're really doing great, Maliha and Muaj. Definitely you will achieve.
Yes, yes, you are.
That is why we always try to connect with different people like Indian and like you, ma'am.
So, ma'am, uh,
Yes.
if you don't mind, can I hang up this phone for today? Because after finishing this conversation, we have to have our dinner. So, would you mind?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah, yeah.
So, thank you.
Okay, you have to dinner, na?
Okay, thank you so much,
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am,
okay.
for being
No
with us.
problem.
Available time.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
thank you.
it was a great conversation with you, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
yes, yes. It was really great to talking to you guys. Thank you, thank you.